Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 22, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. Column E, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 1. 10th row, we get 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 8th grade, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column G, 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6, it will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6. 4th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 5th grade, column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 9th row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 4. Column H, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, column I, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column D, 2nd row, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 6th row and 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 3rd grade and 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 we can confirm here. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 1st grade and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. then 1 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. The ninth row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then the first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, the 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column J, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th grade, column C, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column F, under 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column D, and 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.